Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up multiple Venmo accounts and create a second Venmo account correctly. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Before getting started, it is important to know that Venmo requires each account to use unique account information. This means your second Venmo account must be connected to a different email address and usually a different phone number from the one already linked to your first account. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Once you are signed into your current account, tap on your profile icon or menu section to open your account settings. From there, scroll down and select the option to log out of your existing Venmo account. After logging out, return to the Venmo welcome screen and tap on Sign Up. You can now begin creating your second account. Enter a different email address and phone number that are not already being used on another Venmo account. Next, follow the normal setup process by entering your personal information, creating a username, and setting up your account security details. Venmo may also ask you to verify your identity depending on the features you want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification if required. Once your second account is created successfully, you will be able to use it separately from your original account. Keep in mind that Venmo does not include a built-in account switcher, so you may need to log out and log back in whenever you want to access a different account. Some users also manage one account in the mobile app and another through a browser. To stay organized, many people use one Venmo account for personal transactions and another for business, side income, or separate financial activity. Using different profile photos and payment methods can also help avoid confusion between accounts. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.